considering the parabola at the right, and it looks like a parabola laying down on its side, right? Everybody agree? It's kind of laying down. All right, we're going to graph it on the calculator. What two functions would we have to use in order to graph this? Go ahead, sir.
All right, so you can consider this parabola as having two halves, the half above the x-axis and the half below the x-axis. So the top one is you don't even have to look at it as a whole parabola. You can just look at it as just the top half. So because it has this shape, it would be y equals the square root of x. And then we can forget about the top half, and then the bottom half would be the reverse of the y, or the mirrored version of the y equals the square root of x. So it would be y equals y equals the negative square root of x.
Okay. So that's part A. What two functions did you use? Those two functions. In part B, they want you to try to combine those two equations into one sentence using this plus-minus symbol. So how do you do that?
So for the first equation, you can think of it as being y equals the positive square root of x. And if the bottom equation is y equals the negative square root of x, you can change the bottom and top equations and combine them as y equals the positive or negative square root of x.
Right. That's why we invented that symbol to say that it could be either positive or negative. All right? Go. So part 2 is square both sides of that.
Okay.
Go
Hold
ahead.
on.
So how do you write y squared?
So y squared
Equals
square root of x. Oh, plus minus square root of x squared.
So what happens when you square the square root of x?
You get the absolute value of x.
So it's just y squared equals